Pros and cons of round beds for your house. Dear friends, round beds have a distinctive and unconventional charm that sets them apart from their rectangular counterparts. They can instantly become a focal point in any bedroom, adding a touch of luxury and uniqueness to the space. Their appeal lies in their ability to break away from traditional design norms and create a sense of artistic expression. To help you make an informed decision about whether a round bed is right for you, let's examine the pros and cons. Pros of round beds. Aesthetic appeal. Round beds can be a statement piece, elevating the overall look of your bedroom. Unique design. They offer a departure from traditional rectangular beds, adding an artistic touch. Space saving. In some cases, round beds can save space as they lack sharp corners. Flexible sleeping positions. The circular shape enables a range of versatile sleeping positions. Enhanced intimacy. Couples may find that round beds create a cozier and more intimate sleeping experience. Cons of round beds. Limited bedding options. Finding suitable bedding accessories can be more challenging. Room layout. Round beds may require specific room layouts to fit comfortably. Cost. Quality round beds and mattresses can be expensive. Assembly and maintenance. Some round beds may be more challenging to assemble and maintain. Personal comfort. Comfort is subjective, and not everyone may find round beds suitable for their sleep preferences. In conclusion, the comfort of round beds depends on several factors, including mattress quality, personal sleep preferences, room layout, and the use of bedding accessories. Round beds offer a unique and unconventional design that can be both aesthetically pleasing and comfortable for those who appreciate their distinctiveness. Before investing in a round bed, carefully consider your comfort needs and the space in your bedroom. If you value a unique and artistic bedroom aesthetic and are willing to put in the effort to find the right mattress and bedding accessories, a round bed can offer a comfortable and stylish sleeping experience. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.